Hi guys, Will here. Just having a look at the iTrip Clip Bluetooth audio adapter. It's made by Griffin. Griffin have a long history of making these type of accessories with a focus on Bluetooth. It's fair to say that this device comes at a great time with Apple's decision to remove the headphone jack from the iPhone 7. So even though Apple give you an adapter in the box that lets you attach headphones to the lightning port, that may not suit everybody. So Griffin has this product that might provide an alternate solution. It's not just for headphones though. They actually promote that you can plug any audio jack into it, and that could be for your car audio system if your car doesn't have Bluetooth already built in, like some of the older ones don't, or you can use it at home through to provide a Bluetooth solution to a home audio system. But I suspect that the majority of buyers of this product will be using it with their smartphone to provide a Bluetooth solution for their headphones that they may currently have or want to buy in the future. So we'll have a quick look and see how it works. Alright, let's open it up. So what do we have in the box? So we have the warranty information that comes on it. We have a nice fold out clear instructions. It's quite well laid out. It doesn't go into a great deal of detail, but then again the controls are pretty simple, but very large illustrations. Everything you need to get it set up and to understand how to use it. We have a small micro USB charging cable, and we have the device itself, which is very small. You can see it's very simple design with a play and pause button in the middle. You've got plus and minus volume buttons, and you've got skip forward and skip back buttons on the sides. On this side we have a very tiny microphone that's very good at picking up voice for calls and commands. And we have the audio jack here and the power jack, and the clip on the back is quite a nifty little clip and very tight. It's extremely light, amazingly light. I could not get over how light it actually is. So it's a very, very small, well built little device. So we'll have a quick look at the instructions and some of the features of it. It's quite top panels charging. Below that's how to pair the device, some power management information, how to turn it basically on and off. We'll show you that in a minute. And over the other side we have how to use it, the skip forward, skip back, and you can activate voice command of your phone by pressing and holding the center button. Looking at the specifications, it takes about 90 minutes to charge it from flat. Power will last about 6 hours of continuous use. Standby time is about 180 hours. It's got a 100 milliamp battery built in, and it runs on Bluetooth version 4.1. And it has an operational range of about 10 to 15 meters, but I'll talk more about that in a minute actually. So to pair the iTrip, it must be in power off mode, and you press and hold the center button for 7 seconds and it will go into pairing mode, and you'll know it's in pairing mode by the flashing red and blue lights like you can see on the screen. You then go to your device. In this case I'm using an iPhone, and it'll pop up under the Bluetooth other devices. Press and click and off you go. As the instructions tell you, if it does ask you for a pairing number, the passcode will be 0000, and now you're connected and ready to go. I'm not going to attempt to play the sound that is produced through this device on this video for obvious reasons, because it's going to provide no real benefit. My report is that There's very little lost between the headphones that you would plug into the jack and this 4.1. Just the normal things that you do lose through any other 4.1 headphone set. The benefits are that the item is very small. It works very well. One thing that I'll mention is the range. The packaging has two different sizes of ranging. It mentions between 10 meters in the inside of the box and 15 meters on the outside of the box. I found it worked much longer than that. I had it downstairs and walked upstairs and didn't lose connection the whole way, which was very surprising, much further than any other Bluetooth adapter I've ever used before. So it could have been just luck of the circumstances I was using it, but I was very surprised that it didn't drop out. Also, the device itself has inbuilt voice notifications, which I'll play for you in a minute. And basically it'll do things like it'll say connected when it's paired to a device. You hear that audio command. Also, when you raise the volume to maximum, it will say maximum volume. And you'll also hear, if you're listening to music and there's an incoming call, it'll lower the music and say incoming call from, and so you'll get to hear that as well. So that should come up for you in a few seconds. One thing to mention is that those controls at the front double as call controls: call waiting, end call, answer call, redial, and volume up and down when you're in call mode. So just like other devices of a similar nature. And now I'll let you have a quick listen to the inbuilt voice commands.
Power off. Power on. Connected. Volume maximum.
So that's a quick look at the iTrip clip by Griffin. About $30 from retailers, $30. I recommend it if you have a need to turn your ordinary headphones into Bluetooth headphones. Thanks for watching.